Hey, what's up guys? Dr. M3 here with a new video for you. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn notification on so you get notifications when these videos are released. Behind me is the Performante. Today was the perfect day to take this car out for a ride. And subtly behind it is a Porsche Cayman GT4, owned by a buddy of mine who owns Blackout Tinting. Just picked this up. If you've not seen this video before, he took delivery of it and actually literally just broke it in. This thing sounds glorious. You got to go ahead and check it out. I'm going to put some links in the description. But let's take a little bit of walk around this car before I tell you that the Aventador is gone. It's no more. And I'm going to show you what it's been replaced by. Yeah, kind of sad. But let's talk about this Porsche GT4. So I just told you that the bull is going away, and your first question in your mind should be, what, Avenger Anniversario? And the answer is no, it's the Dark Knight. Dark Bull, the Pirelli Edition Aventador, is gone, and the big question is, what has it been replaced by? Well, I'm going to show you that in a few minutes. It's currently getting its windows tinted, getting windshield protected, the sort of stuff that's really necessary if you're going to have a car and you're going to drive it, because if you're going to drive your car, you got to make sure that it's taken care of. And so that's what we're doing out here at Blackout Tinting today. And then we're going to go driving around in the Perf, right there, and the car that replaced the Aventador. So I'll show you that in just a few minutes. But let's go take a look at what's going on.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always get
Oh, and of course there's nothing like the rear wheel drive, because you can feel it, like absolutely. That little And there it is. This is what replaced the Pirelli Edition Aventador. Isn't that awesome? It is such a good looking car. It's sweet. You heard a little bit of the onboard there. It still doesn't sound as good, in my opinion, as the 458 Italia, but it is still a pretty sweet ride. And of course, Scuderia shields. You got to have those if you spec your Ferrari. Again, the engine is just on the smaller side. It's obviously a 3.8 liter, so it's smaller than the 458. So, but all good. All right, guys, so as you can see, we've got the 488 behind us. Unfortunately, it looks like they just, which kind of sucks, they literally just oiled and chipped this road. I don't know if you know what that is or if they do this where you live, but instead of formally going over and paving the road, they put sort of an oil-based tar or whatever down, and then have like the fine rocks and stuff that they used for the roadway, which sucks because what they're doing is essentially using your car as the roller, as a steamroller to pave the road, which sucks. It's horrible. They should never do that. But I think, here we go, better pavement.
Perfect.
Oh no, never mind. That was just only for the bridge. Ah!
Okay, got it.
All right, I think it ends right here because we go onto this other main road here, and we're going to make a left and then a quick right.
Okay, copy.
So yeah, we're out with the 488. That thing is beautiful. It sounds great. I don't think as good as the 458. Tell me what you think, because as you know, I had a 458 before. I loved that thing. It was absolutely incredible. But the question is, would you trade the Performante for a 488 or even a Pista? And yeah, just tell me what you think about that, because that's a really good question. Here we go. More of the same. I hate this.
That sucks.
You're gonna see up ahead here how nice this road is, and it just, I guess Josh hasn't run this road recently because he would have said to us, hey, the road sucks because it's oiled and chipped.
It is a nice road, though.
Yeah. There you have it, guys. Out with the 488. Unfortunately, the road, which is an awesome road, is not so awesome now because it's been oiled and chipped. And frankly, it will just destroy our paint protection and our paint. So we are going really, really slow. In fact, one of the GoPros is at risk because it's outside and it's low to the ground on the Ferrari. So it's probably taking some hits just for the footage. But hey, we do it for you. We do it for you. Now, I will tell you this, that I'm absolutely in love with the Performante because there really isn't anything like it. Now, I don't have an update for you on I have no update for you on the SVJ. Things are going okay. It probably is going to be one of the last SVJs made, which is okay if you ask me. Hey bikers, but I'm pretty okay with it. You know, like I said, it's a car that's going to be in the collection for a while, so I'm not so worried about it. But I can't stop driving this car, and so I'm going to ask you if you want me to do a video on. I already did a video on the running cost, the service cost of the Performante. But if you wanted, I've had this car for now almost 3 years. If you want me to do a video just talking about, you know, my likes, dislikes, I did a couple of things very early on, but I've lived with this car now for 2 years, and there's a reason why it's got as many miles on it. I love this thing. So if you want to see me do a video, or if you have specific questions that you want me to answer in a video that I talk about living with the Performante, go ahead and comment down below, and I will try to answer it and give you my opinion on what I think, because I think this car is pretty amazing. It ticks off checks so many boxes. It's unbelievable how good it is. In fact, more so than even the Evo. I drove the Evo, I drove the Evo Spider. I have not driven the rear-wheel drive version of the Evo, but there is a reason why I still have the Perf, because it is just, yeah, it's just that good. It really is. What can I say, guys? Thanks again for watching. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and now TikTok. We're doing awesome on there. In fact, there is a viral video on there. Go check it out. I won't tell you what it is. Go check it out, or I'll put a link in the description below if you want to go check it out there too as well. Thanks again for watching. Be well to each other, keep motoring, and be safe. Ciao.